Hi cutie, Grace here. Today we are going to draw a watermelon slide. So let's get started. First, I will be drawing a triangle shape of the watermelon. So will be a line across here and little curve here, big curve line at bottom. So right here to the same shape with the left. So the watermelon skin, I will be drawing the same with the bottom line. I'm going to draw cute eyes here, a round big circle here, and inside with two little circles. I'm going to draw the seeds in the watermelon. So I will add some here. 1, 2, just draw like a raindrop. It's very easy. 3, 4, 5, 6, a cute smile opening here. Okay, the bottom may look empty, so I just gonna add again the 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have a cute watermelon smiling here. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.